We are going on a safari.
Mick he's literally me as a trader. I gave him exactly what he wanted and more.
Australian student, he's been to New York and now he's here.
You see how it took my and I'm done? We're on a clean XYZ staircase pattern to the upside.
Mick went immediately to the journal to write down what we write.
When the view is this nice, how do you not get motivated?
How long were you in the trade for?
5 minutes.
Above that key level. And what happened? He went long, bloodshed. Don't go to the grocery store. Support the farmer. Today, he's actually copy trading. Took the short, flawless victory. Trading is done. Now we're headed to Oldtown. Super viral on the island. I love coconut. What was the key thing that helped us make money?
He's getting out and about, leaving it. Give it a break. Walk away.
Levels don't work, Mick. You have to stop. He's increased his position size drastically. Zanzibar Mentorship is officially a wrap. We're done. Comment down below what you learned. Shout out to Mick. So in the next video, we're going to Dubai. Welcome to the Zanzibar Mentorship vlog. I've been here for 4 weeks and we're rocking and rolling. As you can see, the beautiful Indian Ocean behind me. This is Mick. What's up, Mick?
Hi, Professor. Hello, trading family.
Australian student. He's been to New York. He's been to Thailand International, and now he's here. When you're not going to see the full experience, you're just going to get a piece of everything we're doing. Yes, you'll see safari later. We traded twice. So far, what have you learned? By the way, he deviated. Why did you deviate?
I was out in the jungle. I've just come back in, right?
He was lost in the jungle, deviated. I sat down with him. I looked at everything he was doing. I'm like, I didn't teach you this. I didn't teach you this. I didn't teach you this.
I was in the wild.
And you know, do you see
And
the
I've
difference?
come back.
You come back. You notice the difference between the shenanigans and now back to alignment?
Yes, we have a plan now. So that's good, right? So the biggest thing what I wanted to do, the goal to achieve was to follow the trend. The issue I was having is that I wasn't following the trend. You can see the advantage from following your trend. So we've aligned with following the trend. We've also looked at multiple time frames. We've key levels, key support.
What helped you make?
Really important.
What helped you make money today and yesterday, but today?
Today, key levels and support. That was the number one thing on top of that was we took action. We saw an opportunity, we took action, and it worked out beautiful.
The adventure continues in Zanzibar. Mick is here, you already know. We're at the fruit stand. So, Mick, you want to tell them a story? We bought a lot of fruits for them, but we ran out of cash, and they don't take credit card. What ended up happening?
So you did a deal, and this is what I can't believe.
Yeah.
He said, I'll be back in 3 days to pay you. And they're like, okay. And I'm like, Professor, not. And this is not the first time. We've just come back from a town where we owed for a couple of burgers. And they just said, okay. So we've just now, 3 days later, have gone back to
We're paying the people that we owe, and Mick is shocked left and right. And I'm like, Mick, this is my life. Like, if they don't have a credit card, I don't have much cash. If I burn through, they're like, okay, no worries, just come back. Anywhere I go. You can ask Chris Figueroa a similar story that happened in Puerto Rico with fuel, but that's a side conversation. So let me show you the fruit stand. This the guy right here. Assalamu alaikum, my brother.
Alaikum salam. Karibu.
Karibu. So this is what I owe you.
Okay. Asante sir.
And now we're gonna stop. Mick, get whatever you want, my brother.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Panera?
When it comes to certain things, don't go to the grocery store. Support the farmer. So keep that in mind when you do the things that you do. All this. By the way, one of my favorites right here, mangosteen. Mangosteen right there. We are on page 100, please.
Page 100.
In the 5th edition book.
There we go.
We're on a clean XYZ staircase pattern to the upside.
The candles here, it's gone from red, gone to green. The candle body's getting bigger. No wick at the bottom.
I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell, consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go.
So the reason we got in here is because we like the candles, XYZ pattern. And then we can see on these smaller time frames, it's in a clear uptrend.
Yep.
Holding above.
We're on a clean up channel. Would you have been done with your day?
If we do another one like that, yeah.
I'm getting out, but you trail. Yep.
how do I
Just
know?
click stop. The low of the candle, Mick.
Perfect. I'm happy with that.
You see how it took my and I'm done? Boom. That would.
If I could do that 3 times.
Yep.
We're not slow and steady, but still.
Correct.
Cool. I like.
Journal that. Very good, man.
Okay.
You guys see that right here? Mick went immediately to the journal to write down what we write. If you missed a lot of what we said, it's because the editing team sped up everything. Do the checklist. You can see, trade executed, green right there. I made a little bit, Mick made a little bit, and now he's journaling. You notice how he immediately went and grabbed the book? When the view is this nice, how do you not get motivated to hit sell? How do you not lock in? How do you not? Is my question. So we're going over the trade. Mick has journaled right there in the journal checklist book. How long were you in the trade for?
5 minutes.
You notice how there was minimal to no drawdown?
Oh, on that one, yeah. None, bro. Yeah.
Why?
We had a good entry for starters, right?
No. We patiently waited for the best entry. You notice how I didn't do 1 contract, I jumped to 3. Setup was good?
Setup was good, yeah. Yeah. The checklist, so we had market stages, XYZ stack, pattern. That was one of the key factors where we took that. Reasons for taking the trade. So the trend, we were going with the trend. We followed. We had entries at support and resistance. We got out at resistance. Whole lesson out of this was the trailing stop loss was 1.
When you're by yourself, give it more room to breathe.
Yeah.
Nothing is better than having the system itself take you out the trade in profit. Tell them the main thing you got out of today's trades.
It's finding the confluence and understanding what the time frames are actually telling you and how to use that to your advantage. And then when you do that, use a trailing stop loss.
I know many of you don't understand that you're hung up on 1 time frame, but it's all multiple time frames. And I know you want me to tell you what it is, but no, because you're not worthy of me telling you what it is. Because most of you are degenerate humans that rather pay for a monthly Discord and get fed like Oliver Twist. Sir, can I have some more? You are beggars amongst the poorest of poor when it comes to the trading room. You'll eventually wake up. You see how it moved up so much? Yeah.
I'd wait for a pullback.
When I say setup, this is very good. Clean and boom.
Yep.
So we're bullish across the board.
Yeah.
We are looking very, very nicely.
Yeah.
Do you want to go short?
Hell no.
We closed above our level. Take the trade. All right. It's the same day. We are trading again. We're just taking the 3rd trade of the day. So boom. We need to get to a point where we trust the trend over everything else.
Yeah. Boy, I've seen this so many times.
I know. So then if you've seen it so many times, why don't you execute on it?
Because I'm counter trend.
I understand. Page 100, please.
Yeah.
XYZ staircase pattern. We are on clean XYZ staircase patterns. Clean moves up. Do not let this time frame justify any of it.
Yeah.
This is where you get justification for going long. Right here. It's all gray.
Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off? Day Trade Professor, click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go.
So as you guys are watching, you probably see the video sped up, of course. We're in the trade, green, 2nd trade of the day, green, well, 3rd day, 3rd trade, green. The first one was a test, even though that was green as well. And now, boom, profit locked in.
Profit locked in.
Trading is done. Now we're headed to Oldtown. He hasn't seen it yet, Mick. I've seen it. It's nice. We took 3 trades. Green.
Green trades today.
I made a little bit of money. I took some trades as well with Mick on my phone. So we made it. We're in the Oldtown right now. I'm going to show you, if you notice it, narrow streets. Praise God, we found parking. And it's good. Let me show you, right? Here. Walk with me on this. Very narrow streets. This is the classic place you want to go to. So this is the west part of the island. It's like an hour drive for us. And we made it happen. What was the key thing that helped us make money?
Is getting out and about. Leaving it. Give it a break. Walk away. The markets are there, multiple opportunities.
We took our 3 trades. We made the money that we made. I hit my consistency. Like I said, I'm ready for a payout tomorrow. Let's keep going. We're going to get some coconut ice cream, ladies and gentlemen. Super viral on the island. I love coconut. It's run by a Thai person from Thailand, I guess. You like coconut?
I love coconut.
You love ice cream, right? You said?
Yeah, coconut ice cream is good. I love it.
Yeah. So in the next video, after the vlog is done for this mentorship, we're going to Dubai. That'll be a whole separate video. But get ready. Mick is coming with me. He's extended his dates. And you'll see the fun times in Dubai. But here, just the overview. Just walk with me here, right? Just walk with me.
That looks good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Was it okay? Perfect.
Okay, water.
That looks good. Now this is good. Hi guys, this is Annie, the owner of the spot, and their video went viral. Their video went viral about this. So let's see. Is that what you're looking for? Ice cream, cool. And we got mango sorbet. What is this called? Hobi?
Value. What? Oh,
Oh, this is good. Mango sago. It's good. This is good.
yeah.
That's real mango because I saw that real mango. That's refreshing. That's refreshing. Mick, you took 3 trades. I took 3 trades. Yeah. After each trade, what do?
We closed the laptop down, went for a walk, 5-10 minutes, half an hour.
We don't go trade to trade to trade. We take it, stop it, come back to it. Pete, journals? Why weren't you journaling? I wrote the 3rd book for a reason, and this man wasn't using it. Why weren't you journaling?
The journaling at the time, I didn't realize the benefit or the understanding of the concept of journaling. In your first year, you start, because you're all excited about too many other things. But after you've been trading for some time and you have the XP points behind you, you do understand the idea of doing stuff like this. Don't just journal for the sake of journaling. Journal it because learn from it, understand it. But when you've had enough of the day, walk away. Tomorrow's another day. That's what I'd say about you.
No, you're 100% right on the money. 100% right.
Because with the journaling things, you'll find there's a few key points that we've written down that I'll take away and I'll write in another log because we're all settings.
Yep. I'm just doing some Instagram content, but you get the gist of it. Just execute and take some journeys. All right, we went for a walk and then we came back and we ordered some food. I don't eat this kind of food, but it smells magical. How is it, Mick?
I love it.
Okay.
Order another drink. Cheers, my brother. So we explored, did the whole 9 yards. I didn't film a lot of it because I just wanted to spend time with Mick and just go through everything. That food at that spot was unbelievable. Highlight of this exploration.
Definitely, most definitely.
What was the highlight?
Of the food or getting lost?
Getting lost. We literally
And
did
then
that.
not even have to find our way back. It just happened, right?
I left my camera. I left both my phones in the restaurant with Annie, and I said, "Can you just watch it? I don't want to film. I just want to hang out with him." So I'll see you guys at the next one. We're going to safari soon. We're gonna hop on a plane and on safari. So what are you excited about safari?
We get to trade on safari.
Hey,
That's going to be a new
trading on safari on the Jeep. So stay tuned. I'll see you. Right now, we're on the lookout for lions. There's a couple of cubs in there. Good morning, everybody. Another day, another dollar, I got consistency goals met here. Another payout, locked and loaded for tomorrow. I just met the consistency. And that's just my test account. You don't even want me to open my Tradeify copy trading account. At the end of the day, it's not that complicated. It's what you want more than anything else, the fuel. My student Mick has been on a heater, making money, and I'm traveling the world. Students drop by and we execute. How else would you have come to me if you didn't see a video?
That's true.
In that video itself, we'll bring another probably Aussie. I love Goran. You're the best. I love you too. So who knows how many other Aussies would open it up. All right, guys. So we're here trading. You saw already, I took some trades in the morning. Just go back, a few seconds and you'll see. I'm done. I hit my consistency. I get a payout tomorrow. So praise God. And Mick took some trades by himself without me being around. I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go. And I told him to do that. So tell me about your trades, Mick. Just a summary.
So the first trade was green. It was good. But there was some anxiety afterwards because it felt like I was in an exam. But I did trade with the trend, so I'm happy with that part.
Good.
Because I didn't go count trend trading. Second trade, smashed it out of the park. I had my levels.
We're again with the levels.
Again with the levels, right?
Levels don't work, Mick. You have to stop.
So I had the levels.
Stop lying to these people.
Took action, saw it, just said, I'm in.
How much was the hesitation from seeing it to execute?
Oh, rough like that now.
Very good.
It's either going to go, you had faith that it's going to go up.
Yeah.
Like, all the indication was there to say it should go up, right? So I took that. There was a resistance. Bang, I got out there. I settled
Again
in.
with the resistance.
Yep. I'm done. That's me. I'm in. I'm out. 1 minute. Walk away.
Proud of you.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Mashallah, very good. Now, for those watching, I'm being sarcastic. Of course, levels work. Please don't DM me. I got people commenting saying, in that video, you said levels don't work. I said, you can't find sarcasm? Levels work, candles work, multiple time frames work. This is the key. If you have the power to hit sell, that's the hardest thing. As long as you're looking at the candles more than anything else, it works. That's all it is. All right, everybody. So we're back. The mentorship is almost a wrap. I'm just doing clips from different days. And the other day, I had Mick sit by himself. Well, not by himself, but trade by himself. I sat right here and I watched him trade. What was something you did on that trade by yourself that you screwed up royally? And it's okay. What was it?
I didn't wait for the candle closure.
Above that key level.
Key level.
And what happened?
It went the opposite way.
He went long, bloodshed. So that was a few days ago. Today, he's actually copy trading. He's increased his position size drastically from the first day we started. And I'm sitting here, again, if you don't know, now you know, when it comes to international mentorships, I always have singular students. I sit by themselves like this, and I do one of two things. One, I let them trade alone as if I didn't exist. Because he's going back to Australia, and I'm not going with him to Australia. So I want to see what he's doing, what he's thinking, what he's saying out loud. And I saw him do that the first time, and I wanted to stop him. I didn't stop him because he has to learn, and I will teach him. His account, actually, was that the most drawdown your account's been in that day? And I got you.
Yeah.
But I got him out the drawdown, recovered the money, and made him more. So today, we're sitting, and he's about to do the same exact thing. He's like, okay, professor, I'm about to go long, and I'm watching, and I'm losing it, but I'm keeping myself in check. And then quickly, he's like, oh no, I can't. It didn't do that. It didn't close above. His levels are phenomenal. Candle understanding, phenomenal. Trend understanding, phenomenal. It's just a little tweaks here and there. Took the short, flawless victory. Past 2 or 3 days now, we're hitting your exact dollar amount you want. It's been 2 or 3 days. Yesterday, we made way more than he wanted. And today, we hit the exact amount. And not only that, we're copy trading times 5. I said, now it's time for you to copy trade and make real money, because the real money is in copy trading. Agree or disagree?
That's agreeing, yeah.
So, any words of advice?
Wait for your levels to break before you actually enter a trade, right? Whether you're going long or short, you know what I'm talking about there.
Again, if this is the type of person you are, if you're watching Mick and that's you and you want to learn, you got to come to class. But if you're not like a Mick type, do not enter this environment of peace and harmony. All right, guys, we're about to go in the water. Zanzibar mentorship is officially a wrap. We're done. It's the last day. He's flying out tomorrow. I'm flying out with him, and we're going for one last swim. That is a wrap. That is a wrap. Thank you. Comment down below what you learned. Shout out to Mick. We're coming to Australia. I was cooped inside the place the whole time, and I left because of him to show him a good time, and I had a blast. So my brother,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thanks.
That was a blast. We're gonna have fun in Dubai. Watch the Dubai content. Bye.